In the regular season and a shootout at the top of the West. The number 1 and number 2 seeds, the third meeting with the Warriors taking up. And Cousins with the quick tap on the Warriors.
The defensive end than the offense. They've got to change things.
Murray opens on Curry. KD mid-range. Kevin Draymond in full flight to a running KD. Klay Thompson lasers the three.
Nice to have him back in the fold. They missed him. A little different shot here, 5-zip.
Klay missed the last 2 games with that knee stiffness. Blocked by Cousins. Ricochet out to Curry. Klay moving without the ball. Millsap, good rotation. But Klay stayed with the play.
He stayed right under the hoop.
See the skill of Jokic. What a finish.
They want to run too.
Klay with the steal. He's got KD leaking out. Catching and finishing. For everybody else, that's tough, except for Kevin Durant.
I know. A lot of players will say, doggone it, he didn't throw the right angle.
So, push ahead, early seal. Cousins to lay it in.
You can't stop that. You cannot stop that. Cousins seals, and Draymond Green comes out of the...
They got the Warriors an extra possession. It's been dealing with Jokic nicely. Klay Thompson's getting all he can eat right now. Drops in another 3.
Always looking.
Very nice kick out. And Millsap buries the 3. Well done by Denver.
All over our drinks and papers.
Range for 3. KD dropping it.
Boston.
Oh, Cousins a steal. 2-on-1. Running with Durant. 13-3 run. Phenomenal backup center behind Jokic.
He's very efficient minutes he plays.
Steph Curry decided to join the party.
0.7. With 12 triple-doubles and could have had a few more had he had an assist or 2.
Klay with a turnaround.
Very blocked out on Plumlee.
Steph 3 in transition.
Play wasn't there. This was not open.
You better find Malik Beasley because this is another... Alfonso McKinney's first playing time. Looney rolls to the bucket. And Kamala able to finish nicely.
Well, he had a small in there. Took his time and just kind of gathered himself.
SW hoop. Oh, nice tip in. As Torrey Craig, the field goal percentage defense, all part of the Subaru stats. Torrey Craig had a long time to seam up that. So see how this, second unit does, if you will. A nice little floater. Jim highlighted. Didn't make threes, game 1 loss. Made it 10 threes, game 2 won. And Plumlee right to the rim. And Thomas working with a Plumlee. Shot clock down to 2. And Torrey Craig. It's a big bailout.
You have to make a field goal.
4 for 3. So they put Klay on Monte Morris. I love this. You can't let
3 I've ever seen. They say he's 6'3". I don't quite believe it, but he made that play.
That's the yin and the yang. Isaiah Thomas, little drawn kick. Monte Morris buries the 3, and we got a tie game here. Draymond gonna work on the little guy and lay it up and in.
Big mistake by Thomas there. Had a chance to take the lead. He's a little demoralized.
That 19-point lead. Nuggets kind of ground their way in. The second unit for Denver's been excellent as Beasley gives the Nuggets. He's for Denver. Klay Thompson. He has been the lifeline. 15 for Klay. Klay Thompson, another 3. So Klay 7 of 11 in the Warriors.
He's got to earn it.
Cousins rolling. Oh, he reversed it up and in like a little man.
Torrey Craig took away his dunk attempt, so he went up and under, and he tried everything to make that 3.
Beasley again. You have to find that guy. Murray going downhill. He'll pick up the foul and float it in. Jamal Murray turned the corner, was thinking of passing it to Jokic, and Steph Durant on a scattered D. KD show and go to lay it in.
What he did on Harris there, a little stutter step, a little hesitation, and it just enabled him to get by Harris, who pulled up a moment to get his momentum back.
Jokic's big skill on display. Durant takes the contact and flips it in.
He took the challenge there right at Torrey Craig. Simple one-on-one or 2 assists, and another 4 by 1 or 2 rebounds.
Yeah, trails only Westbrook with triple-doubles, and there's Jokic. Oh, by the way,
He's going to come right back to Durant. Double team.
that's the open three. Iguodala nails it. They're there. Durant surveys, realizes there's no double coming. Play, got it off before Jokic could get there, and another three.
He does that so easily. That is not easy to do. Catch a pass, come down, and barely do.
Iguodala with the left hand.
He went with the left to use that rim to protect the shot because he felt Iguodala fought over the top. There's Curry for a 3.
Draymond just set a big screen, and Steph buried the three.
He just worked for the ball. That's 2.
Durant blocked Jokic. Warriors looking to run. Play barely in his hands. It's another three. DeMarcus, good find for Curry. And drops in the jumper with 2 on the shot clock by moving the ball, and Cousins deflecting it away.
A lot of deflection tonight for the Warriors.
Jokic with the 3.
Here's the first start. He made him put it high up in the air and threw it off.
Klay Thompson barely in his hands and right in the bucket. He hadn't cooled off at all. Grab yourself a night at 10 and 4 ball. Cousins was rolling. That's a dangerous pass. That's the one Steve Kerr does not want to see. Martin will flip it in, but
5 turnovers for Stephen. He may need a rest night sometime. How about that? Use it backwards.
Yeah. Tip it up.
Unless it's a bigger lead, he doesn't want to shoot the 3 at the offensive end right now.
Jokic, a little runner. Transition D. DeMarcus knocked it off his leg. Cousins.
Well, how many times have we seen that tonight? He's disrupted.
He's been amazing.
Scorer.
They have him with 2 blocks, 2 steals. Murray from deep. So you turn it over. Sometimes it is Durant time. And there's Looney that got it in. 3.
Okay. Closer than I thought.
And Murray inside. But remember, Denver went to the line. Game's kind of hanging there at 11, and Millsap makes it a single-digit game. Will Barton is 1 of 10. And Durant, 94 feet later.
There's a 4-point swing right there.
Missed the layup, score on the other end. They sag off of Jokic. He finds Millsap. Just a simple play.
If that's the case, the Warriors are in for a tough night.
Murray on the drop-off. And Plumlee on the finish. Huge advantage on the glass.
We actually saw it early in the first quarter starting.
Durant, the fadeaway, and the field goal. Deep 3.
5 on 4. They're going to take advantage.
KD. The Joker didn't get enough.
And the starters are under 33% shooting against the Warriors. The starters for Denver.
Livingston, little pogo stick flip.
Early in the shot clock, I don't think you need that.
And Cousins, I'll tell you what. You identified it early, Jim. Against Jokic or Plumlee,
yes,
his big-on-big defense is better. Thomas kind of fell into one there.
Are they going to call continuation? Good play here.
Craig hustling. DeMarcus the rebound. Cousins inside to lay it in.
Awfully get it off the glass. And Cousins was able to do so.
Draymond came all the way out of Monte Morris, but you can't leave Beasley
On the shot clock, let him get where he went. Get Clay established down low. And the little three-point play.
got him rolling.
Plumlee was crowding him.
He's seen him step back for three, and he did it again. He and Jokic both are saying, how's that guy getting that shot off? Draymond challenged Beasley. Plumlee snatches that rebound. DeMarcus has block number 5. They work. Knocked away. Livingston first man to the ball. Push ahead. Iguodala! And the reason why is Steve wants this one badly as Clay hits the three. And they're getting outplayed here in the first 5 minutes of the fourth. KD for three. Ian Cousins, you shoot it. No, you shoot it. And the biggest lead of the night is right now. So there's the three. And he got it! I tell you,
Finally, he's saying finally.
the man with the mustache said is the hustling Monte Morris saved the layup. Will Barton,
He got one.
he's. Have you ever seen that in all your years in the NBA? A guy sitting in midcourt. Steph Curry with the three. Curry for three. Get three. The Joker knows it. Draymond knocked it away from him. And DeMarcus making sure that's a 24-second. And then being rewarded.
Well, the rebound.
Marked improvement over the other night against Boston.
Yes, hey,
Monte Morris flipping it in and drawing the foul. Klay Thompson. What a night. Coaches have emptied the benches here. Torrey Craig right to the rim. Just got a knack for offensive rebounding. Lonzo three. And that's good to see. Hey, McKinney can rebound. He can hustle, and this team, you got to hit that opportunistic open three. Is Toretto on a nice feed from Dave. Now the Phoenix Suns come in on Sunday, and all they did recently was beat the Milwaukee. Well, he dealt with the Joker tonight. And did a heck of a job.
For Mike Malone and Denver.
This one feels good for the Dubs. They take a 2-1 series.